And I want to tell South Africans that should anything happen to me, the National Commissioner, General Masimula, will be responsible. They entered the flat. They were plus or minus 15 to 20, wearing camouflage and with balaclava cover their faces with a high caliber rifles. They entered my flat and they thought my brother was myself, and they demanded to search the flat without showing any warrant or any search warrant. When the brother is asking them to show a search warrant, they started to assault him with the firearms butt. They started to assault him thinking it was me busy preparing. And our days are about to come. This harassment is starting. This intimidating is starting. Our gadgets now have to be seized. The very same gadgets that contain evidence that we are going to use during Madlanga Commission and ad hoc committee in Parliament. So the question is, the timing is questionable.